Greetings and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going back to one of the brands that can continuously show you that you do not need a well-known Swiss name to obtain some truly impressive watchmaking citizen. It would be difficult to find a manufacturer that has as extensive a presence as Citizen, which boasts rugged tool watches, sharp everyday casual designs, and cutting-edge technology that rivals any that have emerged out of Switzerland. These 5 watches represent the whole of that gamut, a reliable daily all-purpose diver, to a satellite synchronized marvel that even tops what Citizen has ever created. Let's get into it. Number 5. The Citizen Promaster diver line has made a name among those who have a tight budget but wish to purchase a dive watch as being one of the most reliable, no bells and whistles products out there, and it supports the reputation with the actual specifications as opposed to mere fashion. To actual ISO 6425 standards of diver watches, the Promaster diver generally gives 200 meters of water resistance, a beneath-the-case unidirectional rotating bezel, and an excellent lume usage, rendering the face of the watch visible in the darkness of underwater scenarios. Most references are powered on the EcoDrive solar technology of Citizen, which implies that there is no battery to replace and that the watch cannot suddenly fail in the middle of a dive, which is truly a significant feature considering that other watches of this price run either on quartz or mechanical clocks. Its high-strength stainless steel housing and the use of either rubber or steel bracelets keep the Promaster diver as apt in daily life as it is in duty diving. As a way of getting a well-functioning and reliable dive watch that does not require a buyer to spend a lot of money, the Promaster diver will always be one of the smartest options to the entire category. Citizen Promaster diver costs about $200–350 USD in various setups. Number 4. The Citizen EcoDrive Chandler is a watch designed with a simple, everyday lifestyle, incorporating an elegant, sporty casual look together with the hassle-free opportunities of solar-powered Citizen EcoDrive technology. The dial designs prefer bold, easily readable markers and a assured shape of the case that could equally fit in with a casual weekend dress or a little dressier one, which allowed the Chandler a degree of versatility that is very literally practical to wear on an everyday basis. Since it uses any source of light instead of a battery to work, the Chandler will just continue running as dependably as possible, years after years without ever having to have the power changed in a daily watch. The Chandler line offers a wide variety of dial colors and leather and bracelet versions. This presents the buyer with an ample opportunity to find a setting that suits his or her personal style. Such a watch is the one that is used without commotion day in, day out, to go about their tasks quite satisfactorily without continually having to require any special concern or care to get their jobs done. The Citizen EcoDrive Chandler sells at an average of $150–220 USD according to configuration. Number 3. The Citizen Tsuyosa is the sort of watch that you look twice at the price tag, as nothing about the watch makes it seem that it would be cheap. Its name translates as strength in Japanese, and that assurance is witnessed at once in the eye-catching sunburst dial that changes radically depending on the type of lighting, the solid stainless steel case, and the well-designed bracelet with alternating polished and brushed finishes. And this is a sport casual watch done right, in plenty of time by a solid automatic engine with a power reserve of about 42 hours, which puts things in proper perspective and thus makes it reliable and easy to maintain. The domed crystal contributes an old-school vibe that perfectly fits the retro-modern chic, and the variety of dial colors, including some of them actually stunning blue and green selections, is such that there is a Tsuyosa to fit virtually any taste. Should you be seeking some sort of a point of entry into the world of an automatic watch without the slightest loss of appearance, the Tsuyosa would still be among the strongest point of entry into that segment as well. The Citizen Tsuyosa retails for approximately $250–350 USD. Number 2. Citizen EcoDrive Brycen. With its aggressive sport utility design language and its emphasis on functionality being about chronographs, the Citizen EcoDrive Brycen carves out a unique niche since it has a more sporty and athletic, performance-driven personality compared to much of the rest of the Citizen day-to-day lines. The use of the layered dial construction with fully equipped sub-dial and tachometer scale on references to chronographs provides the Brycen with true visual depth and confident wrist presence that makes him noticeable in a crowd. Like most of the contemporary insignia of Citizen, EcoDrive operates the watch on solar so that you do not have to change the battery at all, though the chronograph is continuously ready whenever you need it. The Brycen line is formed a little bigger and more aggressive, targeted at buyers who strive to have their daily watch featuring in their life, take center stage, and not lose in the background. The Brycen comes in a robust selection of customizable strap designs and dial color, but with the real character and Citizen reliability. Any person who would want something bold-looking yet sporty everyday watch that has the real-life chronographic functionality and no maintenance hassle should check out the Brycen. Citizen EcoDrive Brycen costs about $180–280 USD with the different intricate settings. Number 1. The Citizen Satellite Wave GPS is this day leaders of the pack, and after you see what this watch really can do, you will have very little trouble justifying that decision. A satellite wave GPS uses the direct signal of GPS satellites around the Earth to automatically find out and automatically adjust to the right local time at any point in the world, without manually adjusting it, without requiring a smartphone connection, and without needing internet connection. It only requires a watch which then knows where it is and automatically corrects itself. The satellite wave GPS operates completely on the Citizen EcoDrive solar technology, which combines that satellite-grade precision with an actually maintenance-free power model. The watch goes pretty much unattended of any sort with normal use. The case and the dial design is reminiscent of the technical ambition within, as it is confident, and instruments inspirated that immediately gives the indication of what type of watch this is at a glance. To the frequent traveler especially, the capability of landing in a new country and instantly having your watch somehow rectify itself in a matter of moments is a feature that actually alters the way that you perceive time zones in general. The satellite wave GPS is the expression of Citizen being bang at the technical edge of what a wristwatch can and may well do. The Citizen satellite wave GPS costs around $1,200–$2,000 USD with different setups.